Yes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is me here, Kudzi Madziro. I'm back again with another video. You know what? It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to go straight to the point and say it the way it is. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm going to say it the way I heard it, the way I saw it, the way it was spoken to me. I'm going to say it the way I heard it, the way it was explained to me or described to me. I'm never going to beat around the bush. I heard a story when I was in Bulawayo, when I was in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, in Matebele province, Matebele region. I heard of a story about Ndebele girls, on Ndebele ladies. The people who told me, they said that whenever they see a guy from Harare, the capital city of Zimbabwe, Harare, capital city of Zimbabwe, when they see a guy from Harare coming to Bulawayo or coming to any city in Matebele or any town in Matebele province, they see that person as rich and wealthy. They think he's rich, he's damn rich, filthy rich, super rich, he's wealthy, very wealthy. This is what they think. These girls from Bulawayo, these are Ndebele girls, Ndebele women, Ndebele ladies. So this is what I heard. But I don't know if it is true or what. I don't know. I just heard a story and I'm just sharing with you right now on this platform, YouTube channel, Kudzi Madziro Africa. Whenever Ndebele girls see a guy from Harare, capital city of Zimbabwe, coming to Bulawayo, coming to Matebeleland province, Matebele region, they think he's super rich, he's damn rich, he's very rich, he's so wealthy, very wealthy, super wealthy, with a lot of money, a lot of cash, a lot of resources, a lot of assets in his life. But I'm here to tell you right now, categorically speaking, characteristically speaking, it's not true. It's not true. I'm also a guy from Harare myself, Kudzi Madziro. I'm from Harare, capital city of Zimbabwe, and I'm not that damn rich. I am not that filthy rich. I am not that super rich. I'm not that wealthy right now at my level, at my age, at my current level in life, at my current stage or phase in life. I'm not that rich. So I'm telling you right now, when Ndebele girl, Ndebele lady, Ndebele woman, you have to correct that mentality. You have to correct that mindset. It's not right. It's not true. Not everybody coming from Harare, a guy, a man, is rich. No, that's a fallacy. That's wrong. It's not correct. That kind of a thinking, that kind of a mindset. I'm giving my own example, good example. Of course, I'm good. Of course, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm well in life. But I'm not yet there. I'm not that damn rich or filthy rich or super rich. I'm still praying to God, believing in God for mercy, for grace, for me to be able to reach that level. So not every guy from Harare is damn rich or super rich. So that talking, that mindset that you Ndebele girls have is very wrong. I want you to learn from me, to hear from me, from the horse's mouth, myself, a typical Harare guy. It's not correct. It's not right. It's improper to say that guys from Harare are rich. They have a lot of money, lot of cars, lot of houses, lot of resources by their side. No, it's not correct. It's not correct. So from today, I want you to correct that mindset. I want to correct that kind of thing that you have. It's not right. I'm telling you right now, categorically speaking, practically speaking, it's not right. A lot of people in Harare are suffering. A lot of people in Harare are struggling. These young men, these guys, Shona young men, they're suffering. Some of them, they're struggling. Some of them, they don't have money. Some of them are begging. Some of them are asking money every day on the streets. They don't have money. They don't have cash for their personal lives, for their families. They don't have money. So you cannot say, guys from Harare are rich. No, they are not rich. They're also struggling. Like guys in Bulawayo, in Matebele province. They're also suffering. They're also hungry and starving every day of their lives. Like people in Matebele, some of the people in Bulawayo. So thank you very much for understanding my points. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much for paying attention to me. Thank you very much for your attentiveness to what I'm saying and to what I said right now in this video. In conclusion, to recap, not every guy, Shona young man from Harare, from the capital city of Zimbabwe, Harare, is rich, damn rich, super rich. No, it's a fallacy. It's a total fallacy. It's unheard of. It's not true. You have to correct that statement. You have to correct that mindset. You have to correct that mentality. Some of them are struggling. Some of them are suffering. Some of them are starving. Some of them are hungry in their homes, in their houses, in their family households. They are failing to make ends meet every day. They don't have a good quality of life. They don't have a good standard of living. This is what I'm telling you right now. Practically speaking and honestly speaking and truly speaking, they are suffering, they are struggling, they are failing to make ends meet. Thanks so much for listening. I hope I've addressed a very crucial and critical matter right there. So from today, we're just the same people. Shona, Ndebele, no one from Harare is rich, is what? No. We are just the same people. We are just equal. We are on equal footing. We are just equal people. We are just the same people. Thank you very much for understanding. I'm done talking. Remember to pray. It's healthy for your body. It's healthy for your spirit. Remember to drink water. It's healthy for your body. I'm signing out. Sharp.